Hi there. As you see, when you're speaking in Ambient, the music level lamp will picking up your voice and output at random. So how to reduce the impact of your voice on the music being played? Next, I will show you how to enable the ambient noise filtering function. You can triple click the up button and then maintain the normal speaking voice for 3 seconds. Then the system will complete the identification of the current ambient noise. As you can see, the music level lamp would not output your voice when the ambient noise filtering is turned on. Moreover, it would not affect the music you are playing. If you want to turn off the ambient noise filtering, triple click the down button. Hello.